Good evening, students. Hello once again, and welcome once again to this special Tally Education class. Right? So, boys and girls, আশা কৰিছো তোমালোক চবে কুশলে আছা, চবে নিজৰ ঘৰৰ ভিতৰত সুৰক্ষিত আছা। এই বিপদৰ সময়ত ঘৰৰ ভিতৰত থকাটো সৰ্বোত্তম উপায়। চবে যেন ছ'চিয়েল ডিষ্টেন্স মেইনটেইন কৰি নিজৰ ঘৰৰ ভিতৰতে সুৰক্ষিত থাকা। অ'কে? বাট তাৰ মাজতে পঢ়া শুনা চলাই যাব লাগিব। চ' এই কথাখিনি মনত ৰাখি আমি আমাৰ আজিৰ পাঠ আৰম্ভ কৰিছো অহা। চ' ৰেডি আছা? Here we go then. As you all can see in your screen, this is going to be a functional English class. Functional English means English grammar and other functions. Right? So let's begin our today's session. আমি আমাৰ আজিৰ পাঠ আৰম্ভ কৰিব ওলাইছো. Hope you all are ready? Yes? Fine then. So without wasting any further time, let's begin our today's session. So Aramonite, what do we have? We have two boys talking. One is Rohan and the other one is Sharath. Okay? So you have দুজনে কথা পাতি আছে. চাওঁচোন. Hi Sharath, how are you? Rohan ক'লে, Hi Sharath, how are you? Hi Rohan, I'm fine. How about you? I'm doing great. What are you doing this weekend? এইটো conversation চলি আছে. We'll come to the details a little bit later. I'm going for a movie with my friend. And what's your plan? মই এখন চিনেমা চাব গৈ আছো, তোমাৰ প্ল্যান কি? Well, I'm not sure yet. Well, মই এতিয়ালৈকে ভাবা নাই. I'm not sure yet. Well, do you want to come and watch a movie with me? Do you want to come and watch a movie with me? মোৰ লগত গৈ চিনেমাখন চাবা নেকি? Which movie are you going to watch? তুমি কোনখন চিনেমা চাব গৈ আছা? The new comedy movie by Mr. Bean. Mr. Beanৰ নতুন comedy ফিল্মখন. I have already watched it. You carry on. Well, মই ইতিমধ্যে চালোৱে চিনেমাখন. তুমি চোৱাগে যোৱা. Alright, maybe next time. Okay. উপায় নাই বাৰু. Next time হয়তো আমি একেলগে চাম. ই তেনেকুৱা মিন কৰিছে. So he says what? Okay. Bye. See you later. Bye. So what happened here? Hi Sarath, how are you? Then that was Rohan. Sarath kole, Hi Rohan, I'm fine. How about you? Rohan said, I'm doing great. Sarath said, what are you doing this weekend? So Rohan replies, I'm going for a movie with my friend. What is your plan? Sarath says, I'm not sure yet. Okay. Well, do you want to come and watch a movie with me? Which movie are you going to watch? The new comedy movie by Mr. Bean. Oh, I have already watched it. You carry on. All right, maybe next time. So ইয়াত কি হৈ আছে? তেওঁলোক দুজনৰ মাজত কথোপকথন চলি আছে আৰু তেওঁলোকে কিহৰ কথা কৈ আছে? তেওঁলোকে বৰ্তমান সময়ৰ কথা কৈ আছে. Okay? So okay. Bye. See you later. Bye. All right? So তেওঁলোকে যেহেতু বৰ্তমান সময়ৰ কথা কৈ আছে, we can call it what? Talking about present. And that's something we are going to discuss in our today's session, right? So talking about present means what? We can call it present tense. Okay? So here is our first thing. So আমি কি দেখা পাইছো ইয়াত? এখন খেতি পথাৰ আছে চাগে, ট্ৰেক্টৰ এখন গৈছে, এজন সৰু ল'ৰাই কাম কৰি আছে, এজন ডাঙৰ মানুহে অবজাৰ্ভ কৰি আছে আৰু আন এজন মানুহে কাম কৰি আছে. So the line is, my grandfather is a farmer. মোৰ ককা দেউতা এজন খেতিয়ক হয়. He works hard in the field. তেখেতে খেতি পথাৰত বহুত কষ্ট কৰে. I help him. মই তেখেতক সহায় কৰো. I remove the weeds. মই weedsবোৰ remove কৰো. I husk the coconuts. মই নাৰিকলৰ বাকলিবোৰ গুচাই দিওঁ. Okay, চোৱা ল'ৰাজনে নাৰিকলটোৰ বাকলিবোৰ আঁতৰোৱাৰ চেষ্টা কৰি আছে. Then what is he doing next? তেওঁ পানী দি আছে, right? So we can call it what? I water the plants. I water the plants. Then my grandfather is a farmer. First line. He works hard in the field. Second line. I help him. It's the third line. I remove the weeds. That is the fourth line. I husk the coconuts. I water the plants. So in these lines, bottom to this sign of sound, my grandfather is a farmer. He works hard in the field. I help him. I remove the weeds. I husk the coconut. I water the plants. So is, works, help, remove, husk, and water. All these words are in what? They are in their present form, right? So কোনটো present হয়? Simple present হয়, but এইটোৰ বিষয়ে ডিটেইলকে আমি অলপ পিছত কথা পাতিম. But right now, let's remember that they are in their present form. All right? Now let's have a look at another thing. What can we see here? It's government hospital, right? So what do we have here? There is a patient and there is a lady who's taking him in a wheelchair. So this is my aunt. This is my aunt. She works in a government hospital. তেখেতে government hospital চাকৰি কৰে. She takes care of the patients. তেখেতে ৰোগীবোৰৰ শুশ্ৰূষা কৰে. So this is my aunt. Look at the word is. She works and then she takes care. So is, works, and takes. These are again what? Simple present tense, right? Then the next line is, my grandmother is a doctor. Mor aita doctor hoy. She checks patients every morning. So what does she do? She checks, right? So is, and then the next word is checks. So ইয়াত কি হৈছে? ইয়াত আমি কি কৰিছো? Again we are using present tense, right? Then again এইটোত চোৱা. I help her during my stay there. What I do? I help her during my stay there. Okay? So these were what? Examples of present tense. এতিয়া কেনেকুৱা example কেনেকৈ ইউজ কৰিব লাগিব সেইটো বিষয়ে মই অকণমান দেৰিকৈ কথা পাতিম. But first up তোমালোকৰ কাৰণে কি আছে? Here is a question for you. So boys and girls, চবেৰে সাজু হোৱা, কাৰণ এই প্ৰশ্নটোৰ স্পেচিয়েলিটি কি হ'ব? এইটো এটা সময় নিৰ্ধাৰিত প্ৰশ্ন থাকিব. এই প্ৰশ্নটোৰ উত্তৰ কৰাৰ কাৰণে মই তোমালোকক 30 ছেকেণ্ড দিম. ওকে? আৰু তোমালোকৰ সময় আৰম্ভণি হৈছে এতিয়াৰ পৰা. Okay, it's time up. Now you need to tell me, identify the sentence with the present tense form of the verb. আমি তোমালোকক দেখুৱাই আহিছিলো তেতিয়াৰ পৰাই, হয়নে? is থাকিব, are থাকিব, বা verb-ৰ পিছত verb-টো root form-ত থাকিব, বা verb-ৰ পিছত s এটা add হ'ব, present tense হ'ব লাগিলে. So I will do my homework. ইয়াত কি আছে? Will. So is will present tense? No. Will is future tense. I did my homework last Sunday. I did my homework yesterday. Last Sunday by yesterday matter নকৰে, but what matters? It's did. Did to কি হয়? Past tense হয়. So তাৰ কাৰণে মানে আমাৰ answer কি হ'ব? Very good. Our answer would be option B. I do my homework every day. So ইয়াত present tense কোনটো হ'ব? Option B. I do. All right. Now fill in the blanks. Go, writes, go, with, enjoy, spend, and love. এইকেইটা শব্দ ব্যৱহাৰ কৰি আমি কিছুমান words-ত fill in the blanks কৰিব লাগে. Okay? So look at this. Jeevan and Deepa are my close friends. We dash to school together. যিহেতু আমি কি কৈ আছো? We are talking about present, right? So when we are talking about present, what we'll do, we'll have to use the sentence in present tense only. Alright? So present tense to আমি কি কৰিছো? আমি ing form use কৰা নাই। আমি অকল root form টো use কৰি আছো। So root form টো কি বুলি কোৱা যায়? Present tense চাৰিটা form থাকে। Present simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Okay? So ইয়াত আমি কি কৰি আছো? We are using only simple present tense. So যদি simple present tense হয়, simple present tense কি হয়? Verb to তার root form থাকে। Say for example, verb say to play. Play to played বা বেলেগ হৈ নাযায়, playing হৈ নাযায়। Simple presentত এইটো root formতে থাকিব। So কি হৈ থাকিব? Play will remain play only in all the forms except third person singular number. Third person singular number কি হয়? Play to plays হৈ যায়। So এতিয়া যদি কওঁ we is first person, second person or third person? Very good. We is first person plural number, right? So we dash to school together. Schoolot আমি কি কৰো? যাওঁ। So যদি স্কুলত যাওঁ, what would be the verb? Very good. We go to school together. Then on Sunday we dash to a farm near my house. ৰবিবাৰে মই মোৰ ঘৰৰ ওচৰৰ ফাৰ্ম এখনত যাওঁ। So যদি কি হ'ব ইয়াত again? Very good. We go to a farm near my house. So on Sunday হলে habitual activity হৈ যাব। Habitual activities বোৰ again কি থাকে? Simple present tense হয়, right? So on Sunday we go to a farm near my house. So what's next? There Zeben dashed the horse to fun. There Zeben dashed the horse to fun. So what would be the word here? Well, answer is yes. We ride horse, right? So Zeben rides the horse to fun. এতিয়া তোমালোক হয়তো এটা প্ৰশ্ন উঠাব পাৰা যে why not ride? এইটো RIDE right কিয় নহয়? এই বস্তুটো why this is not RIDE? I'm using capital letters here. Why not ride? Why rides? That is because this word Zeben. Zeben to কি হয়? Zeben is third person singular number. So in simple present tense, third person singular number, যদি subject to third person singular number হয়, আমি কি কৰো? We add an S after the verb. So Zeben, what happens here? Zeben rides the horse Tufan. Zebene Tufan নামৰ ঘোঁৰা এটাত উঠে, right? But Deepa and I dash our time with rabbits and cubs. We dash the birds and animals. So Deepa and I dash our time with rabbits and cubs. So what would be that? আমি সময় অতিবাহিত কৰো. So word would be Deepa and I spend our time with rabbits and cubs. We dash birds and animals. What's that? We love birds and animals. এতিয়া তোমালোকক এটা প্ৰশ্ন কৰিব পৰা যে why not loves? Because it's again plural. It's first person plural. We, so ইয়াত আমি use কৰিব নোৱাৰো. Loves, we'll have to say love. Similarly, Deepa is third person singular and I is first person singular. আৰু দুয়োটাৰ মাজত কি আছে? And আছে. So when you join two singulars, it becomes plural, na? So we can't say spends, we'll have to say spent. Then I dash ducks because they dash in the water. So what would be that? I love ducks. It's not loves, it's love because I is first person singular. Loves all third person singular. So I love ducks because they dash in the water. So what would be this word? It's wade. মনত ৰাখিবা, Ducks never swim. Ducks wades in the water. Okay? Then we dash our time together. আমি আমার সময় কি করু? Very good. We enjoy our time together. Alright? So here is one more question. So boys and girls, get ready for this time question. It's a time প্ৰশ্নটোৰ কাৰণে ready হোৱা চবে. তোমালোকৰ আগত এই প্ৰশ্নটো আহি আছে আৰু এই প্ৰশ্নটোৰ উত্তৰ দিয়াৰ কাৰণে মই তোমালোকক দিম 30 সেকেন্ড and your time starts now. Okay, it's time up. Now tell me, my father dash up at 5:30 a.m. every day. তোমালোকক verb to whole week আৰু weekৰ কোনটো present tense form use কৰিবা? Woke. Woke is past tense, right? Get up is not the word wake. So it's option A, B, or D. Very good. It's option D. Why? Because my father is third person singular. So আমি কি কৰিব লাগিব? Verb পিছত এটা s add কৰিব লাগিব. So that is the right answer. Good. All right. Now, where do we use simple present tense? Simple present tense আমি ক'ত use কৰো? চাওঁ আহাচোন এইটো. To express regular activity. যিবিলাক regular activity আছে মানে দৈনন্দিন কাৰ্য যিবিলাক আছে যদি সেইবিলাক বুজাবলগীয়া থাকে what we do, we use present tense, right? Say for example, she gets up at 6 in the morning. She gets up at 6 in the morning. তাই ৰাতিপুৱা 6টা বজাত শুই উঠে. She brushes her teeth every day. এতিয়া এইটো এটা কাম আমি যিটো আমি সদায় কৰো, right? So যদি এইটো দৈনন্দিন কাৰ্য হয়, if it's a day-to-day activity, if it's a day-to-day activity, then what we'll do, we'll be using simple present tense. She brushes her teeth every day. Then what's next? She goes to school on her bicycle. How does she go? She goes to school on her bicycle. So সদায় স্কুলত যায়, it's again a daily activity. So we are using goes. The school bell rings at 9 o'clock. সদায় school bell to 9টা বজাত বাজে, right? So it's a daily activity. So the word is used here is what? Rings. The school bell rings at 9 o'clock. Then what's she doing? She is having her food. So we can say, she eats lunch with her friends at 1 o'clock. She eats lunch with her friends at 1 o'clock. She plays with her friends in the evening. Evening time তাই friends বিলাকৰ লগত খেলে. So এইটো সদায় কৰা কাম. So what we have done, we have used the word plays, right? Then what's next? She helps her mother after school. স্কুলৰ পৰা অহাৰ পিছত তাই তাইৰ মাককো সহায় কৰে. She helps her mother after school. So it's again a daily activity. Then what happens? She does her homework. Again, daily activity. So we have used what? Present tense. She watches TV after dinner. Dinner episode TV size. So again, it's a daily activity, right? And then she goes to bed at 10 o'clock. 10টা বজাত শুই যায়. It's again a daily activity. So to express day-to-day activities, what we do, we use simple present tense, right? So look at this one. She gets up at 6 o'clock in the morning. She brushes her teeth every day. She goes to school on her bicycle. School bell rings at 9 o'clock. She eats lunch with her friends, plays with her friends, helps her mother. She does her homework, watches TV, goes to bed. In this one, gets up, daily activity, brushes, goes, rings, eats, plays, helps, does, watches, and goes. All these are what? Present form. And present form what আমি কি কৰিছো? we have added an s after the verb. Why? Because gote keta kesote amar subject to third person singular asile. So these are what? Habitual action. So habitual action express kora karone ami ki use koru? It's a regular activity also. It's a scheduled activity also. So এই গোটেইখিনি use কৰাৰ কাৰণে what we do? We use present tense. So when we have to express habitual action, regular activity and scheduled activity, what we'll be doing? We'll be using which tense? আমি present tense use করিম. Got it everyone? So this is present tense, right? Write Mina's father's routine. Again, Mina's father's routine. So etu ki hoy? Habitual activity hobo, scheduled work hobo, right? So here ami ki korim? We will try and use present tense. So see, at 5 o'clock, he gets up at 5 o'clock in the morning. Gets up, right? Then next up is what? He's going for a walk. So we can say walk. He goes for a walk every day. Then what is he doing next? Newspaper. So he reads the newspaper at 7 a.m. Then probably he's having his breakfast. So breakfast 8 a.m. He takes his breakfast at 8 a.m. So what's the word we have used? Takes. Then office 8:30 a.m. So we can say he goes to office at 8:30 a.m. Now officer Prabhupati ahise. So we can say what? 5:30 p.m. He returns at 5:30 p.m. Meena and evening. He plays with Meena in the evening. Okay. So to express activity that is permanent. এতিয়ালৈকে আমি কি দেখিলো? We saw, habitual activities, regular activities, day-to-day activities, scheduled activities. To express all these things, we have to use, present tense. Now, to express an activity that is permanent, that means eternal truth. যিবিলাক চিৰন্তন সত্য হয়, যিবিলাক চিৰস্থায়ী বস্তু হয়, to express them also, we use present tense. Say the sun rises in the east. Where does the sun rise? It always rises in the east. So what is the word? It's rises. Then so what is it? What are we doing? We are hoisting a flag, right? So we ketia flag hoist koru? We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. That's an universal truth, isn't it? সদায় সঁচাই হৈ থাকিব. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. The NCERT Express runs from Bangalore to Chennai twice a week. Runs. So, I'll go into the details of all that. তাৰ আগতে তোমালোকৰ কাৰণে আকৌ এটা প্ৰশ্ন আহিছে. So, everyone get ready. এইটো বস্তুৰ কাৰণে মই তোমালোকক কি কৰিম? Again, I'll be giving you 30 seconds and your time starts now. All right, it's time up. So, it's time up. So now we dash Republic Day on 26th January every year. So what would be the answer? Answer is option A, celebrate, right? Okay, to express a future event that is part of a fixed program. এটা ভবিষ্যতে হ'বলগীয়া অনুষ্ঠান এটা যেটো নিৰ্ধাৰিত কাৰ্যসূচীৰ অন্তৰ্গত। So কেনেকুৱা? Let's see some example. The next flight is at 5 tomorrow morning. The next flight is at 5 tomorrow morning. It a flight book কি থাকে? Already scheduled থাকে. So that is, even though it is in future, but it's fixed. So তেনেকুৱা বস্তুবোৰ express কৰিবৰ কাৰণে আমি কি কৰো? We use present tense. The next flight is at 5 tomorrow morning. Savita's summer vacation starts in April. এতিয়া Savitaৰ academic calendar to দিয়াৰ লগে লগে গমেই পাই যাব summer vacation কেতিয়া আছে. So we can say Savita's summer vacation starts in April. Then what can we see here? There is a cricket match going on TV. So we can say what? The match starts at 9 o'clock. Match board schedule agote ready thake. Every day, whenever the match is there, match kon keita bojot arambho hobo to already fixed thake. So we can say the match starts at 9 o'clock. The verb here used here is what? Starts. So start bojot ami as add korisu, so that indicates what? Present tense. Okay, to express a general truth or fact. Like general truth or fact থাকে সেইবিলাক express কৰাৰ কাৰণে. The sun is a hot ball of fire. The sun is a hot ball of fire. It's a general truth or fact, right? So we are using what? We are using present tense. The sun is a hot ball of fire. Then what is that? It's sugar, right? And sugar is sweet. কেতিয়াবা নিমখীয়া চেনি খাই পাইছানে? কোনেও পোৱা নাই চাগে, right? So নিমখীয়া হয় আৰু চেনি মিঠা হয়. So sugar is sweet. That's a general fact. So এইটো বস্তু ক'বৰ কাৰণে আমি কি ইউজ কৰিম? We are using present tense. Okay, then what is that? Probably this is our solar system. We can see the sun, we can see the earth. So the earth revolves around the sun. এইটো চিৰন্তন সত্য হয় যে পৃথিৱী সূৰ্যৰ চাৰিওফালে ঘূৰে. So earth revolves around the sun. Yet আমি verb to কি use কৰিছো? Revolves. So it revolves কি indicate কৰিছে? Present tense once again. So now, before we move on to the next part, here is one more question for you. So boys and girls, please get ready to answer this one. এইটো প্ৰশ্ন উত্তৰ কৰাৰ কাৰণে মই তোমালোকক কিছু সময় দিম. So ready আছা চব? Here we go then. এইটো প্ৰশ্নৰ উত্তৰ কৰাৰ কাৰণে মই তোমালোকক 50 সেকেন্ড দিছো. So সাজু হোৱা. এইটো লাগিলে questions নোট কৰি লোৱা. Your time starts now. Okay, it's time up. Now, we have already said that. What will be the answer? Very good. We are talking about a universal truth. So the sun always rises in the east. Okay, so now, where do we use present tense? তাৰ কাৰণে তোমালোকে কি কৰিব পাৰা? এই ফৰ্মুলাটো মনত ৰাখিব পাৰা. What's that formula? UHPF. Present tense ক'ত use হ'ব? in UHPF. What is U? U stands for universal truth. H stands for what? Habitual action. Universal truth mane Siranton Hoyto, Zibila Hodai Take, the sun rises in the east, right? The earth revolves around the sun. These are universal truth. No one can change that. So to express those sort of things, আমি কি use করু? We use simple present tense. Then habitual action is what? Day-to-day activities. So I go to school every day. I play with my friends every day. My sister goes to an art school every Saturday. These are what? Habitual action. I brush my teeth every day. So these are what? Habitual action. So যেতিয়া আমি habitual action কথা কম, আমি কি use কৰিম তাত? Again, we'll be using simple present tense, right? Then habitual action উপৰি আৰু কিছুমান বস্তু থাকিব পাৰে, যেনে permanent. যিবিলাক চিৰন্তন সত্য হয়, permanent বস্তু হয়, যিবিলাক কোনোদিনো সলনি নহয়, তেনেকুৱা বস্তু এক্সপ্ৰেছ কৰাৰ কাৰণে আমি কি ইউজ কৰিব পাৰো? We can use present tense. এতিয়া permanent বস্তু কি হ'ব? Say, when do we celebrate our Independence Day? On 15th August. 1947 চনৰ 15 আগষ্টত আমি স্বাধীনতা লাভ কৰিছিলো, আৰু সেই দিনটোতে আমি কি কৰো? আমি স্বাধীনতা দিৱস উদযাপন কৰো। এতিয়া এই বস্তুটো আমি আগুৱাব পিছুৱাব নোৱাৰো, যে 15 আগষ্টৰ দিনটো শুনিবলৈ বেয়া, সো 15 জুলাই কৰি দিও। এইটো আমি কৰিব নোৱাৰো, কাৰণ স্বাধীনতা 15 আগষ্টত পাইছে, যদি 15 আগষ্টতে পাইছে, সেইটোতে চেলিব্ৰেট কৰিব লাগিব। Say for example, now your birthday. Suppose your birthday is 5th of June. So 5th of June শুনিবলৈ বেয়া লাগে, মই 5th of September বুলি celebrate কৰো। That's not the thing. If your birthday is 5th June, you have to celebrate it, isn't it? So if your birthday is 5th June, then it's 5th June only. You can't make it 5th August. তোমাৰ যদি 5 জুনটো তোমাৰ জন্মদিন হয়, তুমি এইটো আগষ্টৰ 5 তাৰিখ জন্মদিন বুলি ক'ব নোৱাৰা, isn't it? So that is a permanent thing. Then future event, but যাৰ কোনো এটা fixed schedule থাকে. Say our exams will start from 13th of July. Our exam starts from 13th of July. Our exam starts from 13th of July. বছৰৰ আৰম্ভণিতে তোমালোকক শিডিউলখন দিয়া আছে যে জুলাই 13 তাৰিখে তোমালোকৰ পৰীক্ষা আৰম্ভ হ'ব। তো যদি এইটো দিয়া আছে, যদিও এইটো ভৱিষ্যতৰ বস্তু, বাট তোমালোকে জানাই যে এইটো ফিক্সড প্ৰগ্ৰামৰ অন্তৰ্গত হয়। So future event হলেও আমি কি ইউজ কৰিছো তাত? We are using present tense. So present tense আমি ক'ত ইউজ কৰিব পাৰো? With universal truth, with habitual action, with permanent thing, and with future event. And এইটোত আমি কি form ইউজ কৰিব পাৰো? We can use the simple present form. Okay? What are the other forms? তাৰ কাৰণে আমি ডিটেইলত পিছত বেলেগ এটা সেশনত ডিসকাস কৰিম। But for now, remember, we can use simple present in universal truths, habitual actions, permanent things, and future events. So the formula is UHPF. Just remember this one. Where can we use simple present? Right? So we celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. This is what? This is permanent. Right? My father goes to office by train. This would be what? It would be a habitual action. Then dolphins live in the sea. This is universal truth. Summer vacation starts in April. Again, permanent, right? We sing national anthem in our school. Again, permanent, right? The sky is blue. It's an universal truth. Rainbow has 7 colors. Another universal truth. I pray to God every day. Very good. This is habitual, right? The kabaddi match starts at 8 o'clock. What would be this? This is a future event, but with a fixed schedule, right? So fill in the blanks with the correct form of verbs. Which verb? Present tense. Let's see. James does hard. Verb is work. So what will we say? Yes, good. James works hard. They does basketball every Sunday. So day is plural, right? So what will we say? They play basketball every Sunday. Priya does German. So what can we say? Priya speaks German. A cat dash a rat, a cat eats a rat. Maya dash an elephant with a pencil. So what can we say? Maya draws an elephant with a pencil. Elephant dash heavy logs of woods. What can we say? Elephant carries heavy logs of wood. Tom and Jerry dash with each other. What can we say? Fight. Since Tom and Jerry are two person, fights boli nako, we can say fight. I dash my teeth twice a day. What will I say? Very good. We'll use the word as it is. I brush my teeth twice a day. Right? So one last question. Here we go. এইটো উত্তৰ দিয়াৰ কাৰণে মই তোমালোকক 30 সেকেন্ড দিছো and your time starts now. All right. So answer is what? It's option C. They play football very well. Okay. So with that, we come to the end of this session. Thank you all. Hope you all have understood. Now we'll see you next time with a different lesson. Till then, stay safe, stay at home, and keep working hard. Thank you.